another Saturday, another perfect brunch with this beautiful girl. How are your onion rings? So last time we were here, we talked about getting a pig. She's back onto the dog thing. She wanted to talk about the pig to get me warmed up into the dog.
That is not true. Stop painting that picture of me. It's not true.
There's a fly.
Oh, every time we come here, there's a fucking fly.
They miss us. We come here every week.
Oh, I hate that.
They only last 24. Oh, there was another one. Oh my God, it's in your ranch.
Stop. Wait, ew, no.
No. We're starting the video off at the mall here. I got Courtney these beautiful sneakers for Christmas, and she decided to pull them out. And what happened, Courtney?
Two lefties.
They're two lefties, of course, right? I try to do something nice, and you get two lefties. So we don't have a receipt. We don't have anything. We're just gonna try to go there, hope for the best. If we can get them, we can get them, right? I guess we'll know right now. It's going away. Oh, it wasn't as cool that time.
Ew.
I'm trying a new vape trick, Courtney. The sneeze puff. The sneeze puffers.
Oh my God.
Got him. So, Courtney, what'd you get?
I got my right shoe.
Your right and left shoe. It was actually really easy. We were just like, yeah, we were there a couple weeks ago, and they just gave us the shoes. So we were good to go. Anyways, me and Courtney compromised on we're not getting a dog, we're not getting a pig. We're actually having a kid.
Oh my God.
We were talking about it in the mall, and like, you know, it could be a little ripper. You know? It has to be a boy, though. We did say it has to be a boy. What do you guys think? A little Rodna? Put it down in the comments.
Oh my God.
Okay, so an hour later, our kid should arrive in what, 9 months? 9 months, that's what it is? Right? She's shy, but it's okay. So I want to show you guys the front calipers. They just got done, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I didn't do the white lettering. I actually gave it to the body shop while I was at the autocross event yesterday. They're finishing up the rear calipers today, but these things came out killer. I am so happy how these came out. So we are gonna be installing these today, and probably the rear later tonight, because I do want to get this car back up running and driving so I can drive it around. But this is the outcome of really using a spray gun instead of using a rattle can. They came out great. I'm stoked. But if you go to Advanced Auto, I need to get some pads. I just called them. They have them in stock. Before I do that, I'm gonna take the valve cover off because girly over there, she wants to learn how to paint. You know, I'm a good boyfriend. I'm gonna let her paint my GTR valve cover. If it comes out bad, I mean, you can always redo it. There's no harm done. So she wants to learn. I figured the best way to learn is on a GTR. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take this valve cover off now. A customer of HP Logic, Rob, he actually let me use this other valve cover to put on for the time being. His Instagram's right here, shout out to you. He's actually the one with the R33 that I showed you guys at Stance Nation. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start taking this thing off. She's gonna start sanding it, and I'm gonna go get the pads for the GTR, hell yeah. All right, so before I take this cam angle sensor off, I just wanna mark where it is. I'm marking the bolts because the bolts are stationary. So I'm gonna do 2 lines across. So once I put it back on, you'll know where it goes. I shouldn't be using permanent marker, but fuck it. All right, here we go. I didn't mark the bottom one because if we get the top 2 aligned, obviously the bottom one will be aligned too. So last bolt here. Okay, so now this should slide out very gently here. Okay, that's out. Unplug it. Just like that. Cam angle sensor is out. There we go. All right. Just took the coil pack cover off. Now I'm gonna get all of these screws. They're all in the middle, they're on the side, they're on this side. You gotta take the charge pipe off, and you also have to just move the injector clips. All right guys, so the valve cover is completely out. I realize since everything is apart, I don't currently have a new valve cover gasket, so I have to wait until Tuesday, until Terra Firma is open, because of course Monday is Memorial Day, so nothing is gonna ship. But I wanna get a new valve cover gasket. Since there's a bunch of downtime, I'm gonna completely strip the front. I'm gonna untime it and everything, because I want to do is I want to put my new cams in, I want to put the new cam gears in, get the new HKS timing bell on, and then we can start to make some serious power. Currently we're making 350 with stock turbos. I'm shooting for, I want to say 400 with cams and E85. I think it's possible, and we can also do the R35 conversion, which we're gonna do today. I'll talk a little later, but I'm gonna start to take apart the front. Oh, what's wrong, Sandy? You need to use the bathroom? Oh, there you go. Pee away, girl. You're such a good girl. Aren't you, Sandy? Aren't you a good girl? I'm just talking to Sandy, that's all. Sandy, yeah. Oh, Sandy, you're making a mess, girl. I'm just practicing for a new child. On a serious note, I'm taking the radiator out. Don't worry, Sandy, I'll help you get all your pee out. It's like wiggling your pee-pee. Just brought little baby Rocket to Advanced Auto. We gotta get those brake pads. I wanna find some new wheel cleaner because like the wheel cleaner I have, it doesn't work wonders, and I need something that works wonders because those race pads get filthy every time I drive it. And from last video, I noticed that I had a headlight out. I'm sure you guys noticed too, so I'm gonna get a headlight for the Roadster as well. All right, I had to drive a half an hour, but we got brake pads. They're not the best brake pads you can get, obviously, but they're gonna allow us to stop for now, and they're gonna allow us to drive the car, even though the car's going down for a few days now that we're doing the cams, we're doing the timing, but we're doing all that shit. Didn't get a headlight because I didn't like the ones they had. Hell yeah! Courtney girl, my beautiful girlfriend, how is this going?
Good.
You love it.
It's kind of fun.
Yeah, you like it? You wanna be my painter?
Yeah.
Could save a lot of money doing that, Courtney. That's a good girl. So Courtney's doing really good. She feathered out all the chips. Like this is just a smooth line all the way through. Everything is good. So this piece is ready for paint. Obviously we would just have to degrease it and like the de-wax, whatever the fuck it's called. But Courtney, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
And I'm so happy that I don't have to do it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Don't mind me, I just want to practice a couple skate moves. That's the segment of Chris Rodnock sucks at skating, part 1. So I think it's safe to say that Sandy is done peeing. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take the coil radiator out, take off the hoses, and then start to disassemble all of this. All right, so the power steering belt is off right now, but I just want to give a big go fuck yourself. You know why? I was at the fucking autocross event last night, and I forgot that you put zip ties on my drive shaft. So then I was in the middle of this autocross. I'm like, what the hell is this noise? I had to jack up my car in the middle of it. How many did you put? That's why I called you. Was it only 3?
Like 7.
See, I only found 3.
The rest of probably weren't.
No, because I still heard it. I caught 3 and I'm like, what the fuck is this sound?
I mean, he wasn't there for.
And at that point, I was just like, I'm done. I'm just gonna let him click. So, but dude, I got a trophy. Everyone from HP is getting trophies, so that's cool.
Okay,
I might not be winning Stance Nation like you,
Yeah,
but
you
we
know.
got the autocross.
That's fine.
Yeah.
And I got you back.
You did get it. So it's my turn. The
No.
ball is in my court.
No. See, when you fuck with me,
It's a war.
right?
Yeah.
When you fuck with me, there's no end in sight. Somebody has to die.
No, you went too far, so I need to go farther.
No.
Yeah, you went too far.
I got
I'm going
people
further.
hitting my DM telling me to go fuck with me. Okay?
Did Joey tell you he got so many dick pics?
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Keep sending Joey dick pics.
Instagram right here.
Yeah, just keep sending.
Joey was pissed, but let's get him even more
A
mad.
lot of them. Just keep sending it. He
Hell.
loves them, but he doesn't want to say it.
Yeah, he doesn't want to admit it. But anyways, the power steering pump belt is off. These are kind of annoying to take off, but I'm just gonna work my way.
And you got
We're
it
getting
off-
all new ones.
You got it off because of who?
You told me to look it up.
Ah,
Yeah, but
This guy.
I figured it out after.
this guy. Exactly.
That guy.
And hey, real quick. Stickers are coming out.
Stickers are coming out
Buy
soon.
'em.
Buy them. Get them. I just want to give a shout out to all my sponsorships out there. OSHA, thank you guys. Thank you for approving this shop. And it's going great. We're hooking up the lift wire right now through the rafters. Safe. Everyone's got their safety helmets on, safety goggles. Everything is good. Here we go.
I think I'm the only one with something on.
Send it.
Oh!
Just keep going. Keep going. Turn the tape. Keep going.
Push it with the wire.
Someone jumps for it.
Push the broom with the wire.
Push it over the wire. Go. No, take it.
Oh, yeah.
Send it. Send it. Send There it is.
Let me get that.
Get right in the room. Get right in the room. Get right in the room. Don't pull it.
My turn.
Yeah, I saw that coming in.
Yeah, I know. I ducked super quick.
Yeah!
Yeah, that was an
All
odd.
right.
Alright, pass that to me. Swing it.
I say before we do any of that, we get him off the lift.
I'm not worried
All
about
right,
Yeah,
go
it's
for it.
fine. It's OSHA.
I don't give a shit.
Look at that. Innovation.
Now you're gonna pull us over some slack.
Now we can say we're going to do a professional job. There goes.
Yeah. This is going on Reddit.
Sick. I'm pumped right now.
Zip tie.
Alright, cut. Alright, so as you can see, the shit show that went on right after Courtney turned off the camera, what happened, girl? You almost died. Well, I almost died, but you almost had a heart attack. So, okay, so pretty much I was up there and I was sitting and I was having Alex move this so I can like scale these pillars up there so I can zip tie the wire, which, by the way, it came out great. The wire is all hidden other than right there. It's a little ugly, but this corner is just ugly in general. But I went to go stand up because I thought they were done pushing. And as I was standing up, Alex pushed the shelf and I came flying down, timber straight to my back. And how did it look?
It looked terrifying.
To be honest,
I
go
thought
ahead.
you were gonna die.
You thought I was gonna die? To be honest, as it was happening, I was scared, but I almost wish we can reenact it because I think it would have been funny and like I didn't get hurt whatsoever, like thank God, but it was a hefty fall. But anyways, the reason why I was organizing the whole shop and stuff is sadly I had to stop on this because I don't have a pulley remover. No one was at HP Logic to let me borrow that for the night, so I'm going to start back at this Monday. Tomorrow is our 6-month anniversary, so we are not going to be working on cars tomorrow. Courtney over here, she did a great job sanding, doing all of these things, and she didn't want to paint in the dark. She wants to really have this come out great. She wants it to come out better than the calipers. So we are going to wait for Monday as well.
We're gonna prime them.
Yeah, we're gonna prime the whole thing, and then sand it down a little, and then paint it, and then clear coat it. It's gonna come out better. Better than these. She thinks it's gonna come out better than this. Honestly, I hope she can do it because she'll be my painter for now on. But this is front lobby. I took some time cleaning up. These are the parts that are gonna be going on the GTR. I labeled all of my bolts because obviously it's not going right back together. I don't wanna forget what I took apart. These are the rotors going on. Those are obviously the brakes. The rear brakes, the paint shop didn't finish the lettering yet. This is the R35 conversion. This is the stock. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. It's already getting really late. I think it's like 1 a.m. right now. I haven't eaten all day, so me and Courtney are gonna go out to dinner. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys wanna subscribe for more, subscribe for more. The GTR is gonna come back a fucking beast. Sandy is done pissing and she is ready to roll. So stay tuned for this bad girl.